We started Barnacle Foods about 4 years ago, and we're based up here in Juneau, Alaska. We make a variety of products with Alaskan kelp. Kelp is amazing on a number of different fronts. It's super nutritious. We like to call it your ocean multivitamin. We use really unique ingredients, but the bottom line is that each of our products tastes really, really good. So we make 4 varieties of kelp salsa. Each of them feature bull kelp as the first ingredient in them. We have an original salsa, which is probably the most standard salsa flavor profile. We have a sea verde, which is our green salsa, so it's made with kelp and tomatillos. And we make a campfire salsa, which is one of my favorites. It's not too hot. And then we have a bonfire salsa, which is the hottest salsa that we make. Our pickles are one of our most unique products. It's pickled bull kelp. The way that it grows in the ocean, it has a long stipe, which is like its stem, and that's what we pickle. So when we slice the stipe or the stem up, it makes perfect rings. The favorite of my pickles is our curry pickle. Just a really unique flavor and lends itself well to cooking with, eating on a sandwich, or just straight out of the jar. We make kelp hot sauce. It's called Bullwhip, made with bull kelp and piri-piri peppers. It's a very flavor-first hot sauce, and you can really use it on anything. We make a line of jams and jellies that don't feature Alaskan kelp, but feature other unique ingredients. And one of those is Alaskan spruce tips. We infuse them and make a tea and then turn them into a jelly, which is great with cheese or on sandwiches. And has a really, really unique kind of light floral citrus flavor. At Barnacle Foods, we make pure goodness from our coast to your kitchen. We hope you enjoy them.